What if I told you that there's a company that's helping thousands of businesses around the world hire and manage remote employees? In today's global economy, more and more companies are looking to hire talent from all over the world. This allows them to access a wider pool of qualified candidates and save money on labor costs. However, hiring and managing remote employees can be challenging. That's where Deel comes in. Deel is a global HR platform that makes it easy for companies to hire and manage remote employees in over 150 countries. Deel handles everything from payroll and benefits to compliance and taxes. This allows companies to focus on their core business, while Deel takes care of the rest. So, how many clients does Deel have? Deel is a relatively young company, but it has grown rapidly in recent years. According to Deel's website, the company has over 10,000 clients. This includes a wide range of businesses, from startups to large enterprises. Deel has also raised over $100 million in funding from top-tier investors, including Andreessen Horowitz, Lightspeed Venture Partners, and Ribbit Capital. This funding has allowed Deel to invest in its product and grow its team. What are some of the benefits of using Deel? There are many benefits to using Deel, including easy to use. Deel's platform is very user-friendly and easy to navigate. Comprehensive. Deel offers a comprehensive suite of HR services, including payroll, benefits, compliance, and taxes. Global reach. Deel supports employees in over 150 countries. Cost-effective. Deel's pricing is competitive and transparent. Excellent customer service. Deel has a team of experienced customer service representatives who are always ready to help. Here are a few examples of companies that use Deel. Shopify. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform that uses Deel to hire and manage remote employees. HubSpot. HubSpot is a CRM and marketing automation platform that uses Deel to hire and manage remote employees. GitLab. GitLab is a software development platform that uses Deel to hire and manage remote employees. Upwork. Upwork is a freelance marketplace that uses Deel to hire and manage remote employees. In addition to these large companies, Deel is also used by many small businesses and startups. Deel has been featured in many high-profile publications, including Forbes, TechCrunch, and The Wall Street Journal. The company has also received numerous awards, including being named one of the best places to work in San Francisco. Deel is a rapidly growing company that is making it easier for businesses to hire and manage remote employees. The company has a wide range of clients, including large enterprises, small businesses, and startups. Deel offers a comprehensive suite of HR services, including payroll, benefits, compliance, and taxes. The company is also committed to providing excellent customer service. If you're looking for a way to hire and manage remote employees, Deel is a great option. If you're interested in learning more about Deel, please visit our website or contact us today. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on HR and remote work.